In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drop-down lists in Microsoft Excel. This handy feature can significantly streamline your data entry processes and help maintain consistency in your spreadsheets. So, let's dive in and see how you can set this up easily and effectively. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Excel. If you're like many users who access Excel via Microsoft's web version, this is where you'll start. Once you've navigated to the Excel page, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're using Excel on your computer, simply open the program. Next, you'll need to open the file in which you wish to create your drop-down list. Whether it's a new document or one you've been working on, make sure it's ready to go. Now, identify the specific cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. This can be any cell on your worksheet, depending on your needs. Once you've selected the cell, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the page. The ribbon is where you'll find most of the tools you need, and the Data tab is your go-to place for data-specific functions. After you're in the Data tab, locate the Data Tools group. Here, you'll see an option called Data Validation. Click on it to bring up the Data Validation dialog box. This feature allows you to set rules about what data can or cannot be entered into a cell, and it's crucial for creating lists. Inside the Data Validation dialog box, you'll find the Settings tab. This is where you'll configure your drop-down menu. Look for the Allow drop-down menu, and from there, select List. It's important to select List because it specifies that you want to create a list of predefined choices for the cell. Now, let's set up your drop-down list items. In the source box, you will type in each item you want to appear in your drop-down menu, separated by commas. For example, if you're creating a list of responses, you might type yes, no, maybe. Each item separated by a comma will become an option in your drop-down list. Finally, click OK to apply your settings. Once applied, you'll see a small arrow appear next to the cell you designated for your drop-down list. Click this arrow to reveal and select from the options you entered. It's as simple as that. With your drop-down list in place, not only have you made data entry easier, but you've also ensured that any entries remain consistent and standardized. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. Drop-down lists in Excel are an excellent way to manage data efficiently, and now you know how to create them with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.